Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. So this body works for me. Reality TV star Wandi Ndlovu is trending on Twitter today after it has been reported by a blog called Zimojala that the young Makgosha has sold all her furniture and reportedly headed to Nigeria to become a full-time stripper, you guys. She once caught flack on social media after taking a jab at strippers and exotic dancer on the reality TV show This Body Works For Me, but Wandi Ndlovu has since changed her tune and relocated to Nigeria to work as an exotic dancer at a nightclub in Lagos. Wandi was introduced to South African show business on season 1 of the reality show as an OnlyFans content creator and sex worker. A friend of the reality TV star revealed to Zimojala that Wandi Ndlovu has moved to Nigeria permanently. She couldn't resist the offer. The money was too good. Wandi now works at a Silver Fox exotic nightclub on Victoria Island in Lagos. She sold all her belongings, furniture, and valuables on Facebook Market and moved last week. The friend commended Wandi for following her dreams. She said she get paid in dollars. She is not settling in for the poverty in South Africa. I'm glad she's going where the grass is greener. The friend joked. She is making more money there and she is what the market needs. The friend says Wendy was approached by the club management asking if she would consider relocating. She up and left. Her family is still here. She also closed down her alone clothing business but is thinking of continuing it in Nigeria once she is settled in. The friend revealed that Wendy's family is not very chuffed with her decision. Her mom, in particular, is not very excited about the decision, but she is stubborn and she does as she pleases. But she said maybe after a year or so she will come back or go overseas. Wandi Ndlovu has been very vocal about her job in the entertainment industry. This is what puts food on the table for me. I am not ashamed to speak about it, she once said. At this point, she wanted to quit, but said the money was too good. I make money. I can make it 20,000 a night. She was the shining star of This Body Works For Me and says the fame worked for her business. Ever since the first season of the show, I am now famous and people recognize me everywhere I go. It is so weird, but I like it a lot. I never thought that it would be me that is the famous one day. One day could not be reached. For comment, this is what Uzimojala Center wrote, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section. And of course, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And also share this video so that it reaches a lot of people. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one. We'll definitely see you on the next one. Bye.